Good afternoon once again, my dear students. Today marks a remarkable day to begin the class with you, to teach you the Statistical Computing 1, Star 122. Today we want to learn more about SQL, Structured Query Language. So SQL is part of computing languages that we use to do statistical computing. And this afternoon, I'd like to take you through on the installation and some other parts that are necessary for you to understand. Now, do you all see my screen here now? Do you all see my screen? Please, if you see my screen, just say yes.
Yes, sir, we can see it, sir.
You can see this, Sam. This is software I sent to you. This software, this one. This is what I sent to you as a software. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you will double click on that software on your system, not on your phone. The phone cannot do it. Be it iPhone, be it whatever phone. The phone cannot do it. It can only be done on the what? On the system. So when you copy it on the system, how do you copy it on the system is this. You after receiving on the phone, you can just forward it to your email. You can just forward to your email. You can download on your phone, but you cannot install on your phone. After downloading, they will now forward to your mail. So you now use computer to access that mail. So when you access that mail from the computer, if your mail is accessed on your computer, then you can now double click on that your computer to install it. I hope you understand me now. If you want to use somebody else's phone, somebody else's computer, maybe that computer is not your own, and that your somebody is having a mail on his computer, of course, there should be a mail on the computer if your computer is functional. So what you will do is this: you will ask for the email of that your friend who owns the computer. You will now forward this work after you have downloaded it. You know, download is different from installation. You can download something on the phone, but when you download on the phone, it cannot be installed. You can install it on the phone. So after that, you can now forward it to that person's email. So on that computer, you now go there and open that person's email. That person will now see download on the computer, and from there you now install it. Or probably you can use code. You can use Bluetooth to transfer it from your phone to that computer. And after getting to the computer, you can now do what? You can now install it. How do we install it? You double click on it. You double click on it like this. Double click on it like this. When you double click, something like this will come up. Something like this. Do you see this? What do you see here? Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Do you see that from your hand? Anybody here?
No, it's still loading.
Okay.
It's loading.
So it's still loading. Good. You now click yes. When you click yes, after you click yes, then that loading will now come up. It will come up in the form of welcome to XAMPP. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
So when you see setup XAMPP, do you see setup XAMPP?
Yes, sir.
So what do you see here? What do you see here? What is this? Next. Good. So you now begin to follow the procedure until the end. So I will not install it again here because I've already installed it before. Just begin to pick next until the end. So that is how to install it. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
So I don't want to install it again because I've already installed it before. So after the installation, the next thing you have to do is that you now go back to your words. You now go back to the XAMPP itself. So that means you go out to what to install. You're going to click on that XAMPP. You click on that XAMPP you have installed.
Okay.
You click on the window. This window will display. You now click on XAMPP. You now say XAMPP. So that's SAMP. This is what? This is the interface for SAMP. Sorry, the software, SAMP control panel. You click on it. After clicking on that SAMP, so this interface will display. Do you see this? Do you see this? What do you see
Yes.
here? What is this?
SAMP control panel.
Exactly. V3.3.0. That also?
That is, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So after that, that SAMP will be like this, So you're not going to Apache. You now click on Apache, click on the stats.
Okay, sir.
Click on stats, yes, stats.
Okay.
When you click on stats, so this thing we watch, we appear this. This also click on start here. For the MySQL too, click on start here. The two of them will appear green.
Okay, sir.
When the two of them appear green, okay, only Apache appear green. So click on start for the MySQL so that it will appear green. You can now see that the two of them appear green. So if the two appear green, you can now go back here to minimize it. So that means you can now minimize it. After you minimize it, you can now go back to your browser. Your browser could be local browser. That what I mean by local browser is that it is not compulsory that you have internet. You have access to internet.
Okay.
On the computer, you can do all this calculation locally without internet. Just make sure that that XAMPP, which you have already installed, you open it. When you open it and it shows you green like this, it shows you green like this. Apache shows green. MySQL shows green. If the two of them shows green, then what I want to do now, we what? We function. So you now come back to this interface here. What do you see here? What is this? Can somebody tell me this?
HTTP.
Yes, double colon, double slash localhost slash phpMyAdmin. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that thing you are seeing, there, I'm going to send it to you now again in your group again, so people can see it also. I've already sent it again to your group. That is the link you are going to type or just copy and paste inside your browser. You now click enter.
Okay.
When you click enter, it will function. That interface will come up now. You will see it now. It's coming up. When you click enter, it will come up. All these things can be done without internet access. So it is not compulsory that you have internet access before you can do it. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the local host is still opening. It's still opening. I don't know why. Yeah, it's still open. Yes, that's opened. So the local host has opened. Do you see the local host now? What do you see? Do you see phpMyAdmin here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So since you have seen phpMyAdmin and you have seen this interface here, I think you are getting it now. Do you have any question up to this stage? Do you have any question? Do you have any question up to this stage? No question. Do you have any question? Hello? Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. No question, sir.
No question. Good. So I'll give you some video for you to have access to, so that you'll be able to know more about SQL or MySQL or PostgreSQL. The three of them, they are very interacted. We have SQL, we have MySQL, and we have PostgreSQL. The three of them are almost the same language. It's like somebody is speaking Yoruba in Yoruba Ibadan, and somebody is speaking Yoruba Ijebu, and somebody is speaking Yoruba Ijesha. You can see that the three Yorubas, they are very related, though they have some minor difference. But somebody who understands Yoruba Oyo or Yoruba Ibadan can also understand Yoruba from where you are, from Ijesha or from Ekiti. All of them are called Yoruba. I don't know Yorubas. They are Yorubas.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
I'm saying, so when you say SQL or MySQL or PostgreSQL, you can see that the word SQL still appear in all of them.
Yes.
Good. So that means that if you understand SQL, you should be able to understand MySQL. So able to understand PostgreSQL. So any of the three languages you understand, all of them are still SQL. So if you write any of them for me, I will accept it. I will approve it. How are you getting me now? So
Yes,
in this
sir.
case, once you get to this stage, the first thing is that that means this place now, we can create a table ourselves. What we mean by table is that we can create a data set ourselves. So you go to new. Or if data is already in the Excel, we can import it. You go to import. This place, imports. Can you see my console? Do you see my console?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what are you seeing? Where is that console? It's on what?
It's on import.
On import. That means we can import. If you click on import now, so the interface here will change. It will give me that what are we importing? We're importing data to choose file. So when you click on this file, then you now break it down and import. So when we get to that place, can you see now? Can you say import? So you can now break it down and import. Can you get me now? So when we get to that stage, we'll do it. But now, what I want to do first now is for you to do what is that want to write a new table. That means you have data sets in table in tabular form. So you click this place, you click new. When you click new, all these things will appear. So now create a database. So now say database name. So which name do you want to call data set? Which name are you calling it? Can you call it star what? Star
122.
122. So this place you can leave it the way it is. Leave it the way it is. Leave it the way it is. That defaults. You can now come here, go and click what? And click what? Creates. Click on creates. When you click on creates, that name will be created. That name will be what?
Will be created.
Will be created. And you will see that. So that means that the database you have created is what? Star 122. Under star 122, you can now have several tables. So star 122, you can have, maybe you can say table 1. Look at this one. You can say table 1. Can we just say table 1? Table underscore 1.
Yes, sir.
You can say table 1. Let's use underscore 1. Table 1.
Okay, sir.
Table 1, how many columns do you want to be table to be have? Let's just say the
7.
table 1. Okay, 7 columns. Okay, 7 columns.
Yes, sir.
So 7 columns. That means we are going to make sure that all the columns are 7. So our first column could be serial number. You understand the table?
Okay, sir.
We say a table.
Yes, sir.
The first column could be serial number. What is the second column?
Yes.
Could be name. Name of students. Third column could be age. Abi, I am putting them down so that I'm
Yes,
able to
sir.
get to that stage now. So first column is serial
Okay, sir.
number. Second column is name. Third one is what? Age. What is the next one?
Age.
Sex. The fourth one is sex.
Yes.
What is the next one?
Sex.
Oh,
So the next one
we
is
should put department.
Column 5 could be
After
level.
10, well.
Then column 6 could be departments. What about column 7? Column 7 could be score.
Okay.
So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can now say 7 columns. You can now click on what? Click on create. When you click on create, so the interface will come up. This is the interface. So it's now asking you the name of that first column. We call it serial number.
Yes, sir.
We call
Yes,
it
sir.
serial number. You put
Serial
SN.
number.
SN. So now, what is type of this one means type of that data set of that column. The serial number is usually in what? Usually in what? In integer. When you click here, you will see many things here. We see many things here. But what we need integer. Why? Because our serial number is always integer. Please, some of you, please try to minimize. Please unmute yourself. Hello?
Mute your mic. Mute your mic.
Please
mute your mic.
Mute your mic, please. If you have it on underground noise, mute your mic. So you have several things here. When you click on that, on this place, this type. Do you see this type? You see this type here?
Sir.
So after seeing it, you now click on what do you have here? Int, Abby. That int means
integer.
Int means integer. So serial number, is it integer or a character or a float? What do you mean by integer? Integer means a number which does not have decimal number. I think I taught you this in your star 107 in your first semester. That is when we did Python. I think I taught you all this area.
No, sir, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not here.
Okay.
Okay,
now
mathematics we are not here.
Okay, int means integer, and that integer, the serial number here should be integer, because the serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you communicating?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The serial number is 1, 2, 6, 7. That is serial number.
Okay. Okay.
Are you on the same page now? So the serial number is what? It's integer. So what is the length of integer? Length of this serial number. So what length do you think we can put to this serial number? What length? What length? The length of that serial number, of the serial number. What length are we putting there?
So
the length is the number of characters that's supposed to be there.
Yeah, that's 7, sir.
If you put 7, that 7 means that that means we can get to the serial number can get to 1 million. That means not 7. Can get to million. So if you put 2, that means you can't have more than 2 digits. That's what it means. You can't have more than 2 digits. That's what it means. If you put 2, it means that you can't have more than 2 digits. That's what it means. So if I put 2 now, it means that the highest number for serial number must be 99. You cannot have 100.
Oh, okay, sir.
Are you getting the logic now?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We get that.
These are the areas I'm going to ask you questions in the exam, in the test, you. That's why I told you now that you must understand this concept, you.
Yes, sir.
If I put 2 here now, what does the 2 mean? The 2 means that you cannot have more than 2 digits on that serial number.
Like
and serial number must not exceed 99. So if I give you this interface now and I put 2 here and I ask you that under the serial number, you can see the length of the serial number to be 2. Tell me the highest number, the highest serial number of the students. So the highest will be what? The highest will be what? 99.
99.
If I put 3 now, what will I put 3? What will be the highest? If I put 3.
100. 100.
No, we can still have 999. Yes, we can still have 999.
999.
Yes.
100.
From 100 to 999. What we mean is that the digits cannot be more than 3. That's what it means.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes,
so,
sir. Yes, sir.
Default, you can say none. The collection, you can put it empty. Now come to the next one, the next column. This is the first column. First column, we are done with it. Let's say second column. What is second column now? Third column, what is it? Name. Second column is what? Is name. Name. So in the name of a student, what do you think name of student will be? Name of student supposed to be what? Supposed to be what? So you now come here. Are you getting my point? You now click on here. Do you see what this place?
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this?
Baka.
What is this?
Voucher.
Faka. No, Faka. That Faka, yeah, is SQL, is SQL language. That Faka means combination of variable and character. What is the meaning of that variable? Variable means that you can have like probably you can have like 17, 22, 23. Then you can have arts. Art can be there. Where art be, if you want to write Gmail now, you can say timothy.gmail.com. So that art you are seeing there is also a character. It's also a variable that can be included. Then the character there means that all the character can be probably like the name of student, all these things. So Faka means combination of variables and characters together. Then text. If you choose text means that means the name of student must be text. What my text is that the name of student must just be named. So if I choose text now, look at me. If I choose text now, I think you can see text here now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See text here now. If I choose text now, if you want to enter the name of student when you want to start building the data set, is only text will be allowed to be written here under the name. Are you with me at all?
Yes, sir. We are with
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
For example, let's say for example, the name of somebody now. If somebody is bearing maybe somebody's name is Vigo 330. Or probably the name of a Coke. Maybe the name you want to enter here now is name of Coke. Maybe it's 7-Up. And that 7-Up, you didn't write it in letters. You write that 7. That 7 in what? In figure. 7, they now put up in the front. 7-Up Coke. You can say 7-Up Coke. Because that will appear. If you say 7-Up Coke, if you write 7 in number, and you put up here, up UP, Abi. I think you know 7-Up, right?
That's
I
it,
think
sir.
you know
Yes,
7-Up.
sir.
Good. So if I write 7-Up now, in this place now, the text I put here will never accept 7-Up as a name. Why?
Okay, sir.
Because that 7 is a figure. And what I put here is what? A text.
A text, yes.
So that means 7. That the word 7 will not be accepted if you are creating that table here. If you want to write the name of that name under this name. You know what I'm writing here now? This element you are saying here now is the top, the name of the column. What will be in the top. So we are only trying to tell you what you are going to put under each column. The name of first column is serial number. Name of second column is what? Is name. Abi?
Yes.
So under the name, what are you putting under it? Under this name, you are putting text under it. So when you are putting text, if you write text here now, the meaning is that everything you are going to write under this name must be text. If you write figure or you write art or you write something different from text, it will not be accepted. The system will say error. But it's always advisable to choose Faka in the name. Variable and character. So what is the length of the name? What is the length of the name? Length. What can you put there as length? This place.
Yes.
Somebody suggest.
3.
What do you say?
Or 5 rather.
5.
3 or 5.
If I put 3 here, you are the one talking, Abby.
Yes, sir.
If I put if I put 3 here now, if you want to write your name now, Timileyin, so you'll be able to write TIM. Others will not appear.
The shortened form of that one is CML.
Others will not appear. So if I put 3 here, the meaning is that in your name now, Timileyin. So Timileyin, maybe Timileyin Alegbolu. So that Timileyin Alegbolu, if you're writing it, you're just wasting your time. What will appear there as the name is just TIM. That is all. Because you have already streamlined it. You have given the length of the value of that name to be 3. So it's always good to make the length with 30 or 25. If I put 25 here, what's the meaning? What's the meaning? The meaning is that the length of the name must not be more than 25. I think you must have been encountering some cases when students want to register for a course or students register for a particular exam, maybe XAMPP or WAEC. So, for example, now let's say somebody's name is Oluwatimileyin. Oluwatimileyin. Oluwa Fayokemi. Then Oluwagbotemi. Do you see all those names? How the 3 names? How it is too lengthy now?
Yes.
Good. So if you want to register for WAEC, and WAEC put the total name FACA to be 30, or they put to 25. So by the time you write the first name, Oluwatimileyin, that first OLUWATIM, WAEC will be counting as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then even the space that you put in the name, it will count it as part of the character length. But then you write Oluwa Fayokemi, you won't be able to write the total name again, because you must have exhausted all the 25 space given to you. I don't think you are getting my logic, my point here.
You are getting it, sir.
So that means if I put 30 here, what does 30 means?
It can contain up to 30 letters.
Including the what? The space.
Yes.
Good. So in the exam, if I give you this interface in the exam, if I snap this interface and I give you in the exam, and I ask you that somebody whose name is Oluwatimileyin, Oluwafayokemi, Oluwagbemiga, and I said that person want to enter the name in database to register for XAMPP. Explain the scenario. Explain the scenario means that you tell me the length of this name. That the length of this name, when you count it, is maybe 47. And you tell me that this 47 cannot be accommodated inside this name because we have 30 here. You now tell me that means we need to increase. We need to increase the length to maybe like 50. Because I will ask you to explain to me how will you undo it if this name is to be accommodated inside the database. What will you do? I think you are getting what I'm saying now.
Yes, I
see that my question will be technical. It will be technical in the sense that only those people who understand the concept here will understand what I want to do in the question.
Yes.
You must know the meaning of all these factors. Know the meaning of all this. So now, if I said the name of a person is 7up, and I've already given you this interface, so I will not tell you, will this name be accepted here? And if it's not accepted here, where will you correct it? Or what will you do to accommodate this name, 7up? I write that 7 in figure, and I write up, UP in the front. So where will you go? Can you tell me where you will go?
Sir?
Where will you go? What will you do to make sure that the name 7up is accommodated in this type of interface? Okay, can they talking? Can you talk? Can they please try to unmute yourself and talk to me if you want to talk? You are talking sensibly, but please talk. This is narrative class. Don't communicate me through message again. Talk. So I know that you are in touch with me. Kende, are you there? Try to unmute yourself and talk to me, please. Where will you go? You're going to do what? You go to what?
Faka.
You go to this type. Type. It's under type. Go to click type.
Yes.
You will not change the type to look at this in here. Change type. God, it is the combination of can you see now? Can you see what is here now? Can you see what is here now? This is string. This is Faka. Can you see what is here now? Can you see many things here? Can you see many things here? So
yes, sir.
What to use for that thing is variable and character Faka.
Yes, Faka.
Are you with me at all?
Yes, sir. We are with you, sir.
Yes, sir. We are with you, sir. We are with you, sir.
All right. What is the third column? Put age here. The age must be what? The age must be what? In integer. The age must be integer. So the age must not be in text, yo. The age must not be in date, yo. But if you want the age to come in date, you can click date. If you click date, what would that mean? What it means is that the age must be in what? In date. That means you only put date in what? Maybe 1980. Maybe year 2022. Maybe 2023. Maybe 2013. Maybe 1998. If I put date here in the front of age, the meaning is that the age here, you write the age, the year you want, the year you were born. If I put date here in the front of age, and you can now come here, you can come here and say, please, you can say none. You can say none. You can say none. But the age here is in date. That date means that you put date of birth. You can now come and define the number of length you want it to be. If you want to use date of birth, if somebody is born in 2203, then 2022. You now count the number of lengths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can now put 10 here. You can put 10 here. Or you can put 15 here. There's no crime in increasing it. There's no crime in increasing, but if it's not up to that, that's why the wahala will start. You can put 20. So I can accommodate more. After that, what's the next thing after that? The next thing is what? Is sex. Sex. Sex must be in what? Must be either male, female. Is that also?
Yes, sir.
So what are we having here? You're having Faka. That is variable and character. And you can have maybe like 10 here. You can put 10 here. So what is the next thing? Next thing is level. Level. So the level must be in what? The level must be in integer. Because the level, either you are 100 level, integer, or 12 level, or 3 level, or 4 level. Abi, am I communicating? So that means the level must be in what? Must be integer. So what will be the highest length? You can put 4. That 4 means that you have 4 lengths. That means if you say you are in 100 level, 100 level, that means 1, 2, 3. There are 3 characters there, 3 lengths here.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? So if you put 4 here, this 4 has already accommodated 4 lengths. That means that nobody can say is in 1000 level. So the highest level that one can be is either 400, 500, or 600. Am I communicating? And those ones, they are still 3 letters. They are still 3 in length. Their length is still 3. Outer level, what next? Departments. You can put departments. Departments. So what is department should be in what? Department should be in what? Should be in text. Or you can put FACA, no problem. But let it be in text. It should be in text. You can put text, departments. Then in departments, you can now put more, you can put like 30. Somebody can be in mechanical, mechatronic engineering, and that could be very, very lengthy. You can even put 40, Because somebody department can be much more lengthy. Like electrical and electronic engineering. Another one can even take up to 40 letters.
Like animal and environmental biology.
Exactly. Let's put 50. So that's
Food science technology.
So let's put 50.
Because mathematics too.
Let's put 50 letters.
No, yeah, industrial mathematics also.
Okay, good. Let's put 50. 50 is okay. Then we're gonna put Gmail or email. Let's have email. Email as the next one. Email.
What is it like?
So if I have email, what will I put here? If I have email, what will I put here? What will I put here if I have email? Email is a combination of what? It's a combination of what? Email is a combination of what? You have the word. Who is start talking, please? Learn, please. You are stopping us, please. Gmail. What can you use in the Gmail? Gmail. What can you use in the Gmail?
We can use FACA.
FACA, good. FACA can accommodate because FACA is a combination of that. FACA. Let's go back to the age. This age here, I put date here. Look at the dates. Look at the date and time. Date time.
Yes.
Date time. Time. Year. So if I put year now here, that means only the year you are born is what is accepted from you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't think you are getting me now.
Yeah, I get it, sir. Sir.
So under the age, if I choose text in the age, what's the meaning? What's the meaning? The meaning is that you should write your age in text. That is like 22 years. You can have 22. But if you write 22 years, it will not be accepted.
With letters.
No, in letters. So if you are 22 years, you write 22 years. If you write 22, it will not accept it, yo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
You get what I'm saying?
only accept letters.
Absolutely, sir.
All this area I'm teaching you, you are very sensitive area. Oh.
Okay, sir.
We are very sensitive in the sense that if I give you question this area now, and I give you this interface. If I give you interface like this now, I write age here, I write text here. Look at me. Do you see it here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are seeing it, sir.
And I said somebody is expected to enter 22 years. 2 years. That means figure 2, the years.
Yes, sir.
And I ask you, and that person is seeing error. So what will be the correction?
Yeah.
The change from text.
I'm going to go
You
for
now go
FACA.
to the text. Now go and change the what? Go and change it back to what? To FACA.
Yes,
FACA will accommodate that both letter and figure together.
Yes, and it. Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is still turned like this. And I said, if somebody want to enter 43, 43 as in year 43. So what will happen? Tell me what will happen, and also tell me how to correct the situation.
43, sir.
Yes, 43 in figure.
It will change it from the text, sir.
I said, tell me what will happen. You tell me that what will happen is that there will be error in data entry. And to correct this error, you go to where? To that text and change the words. Integer now. 43
Yes.
is not integer. Integer 40 is integer. 40, that's all. Because this integer.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my points? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, if I say age now, and that age, somebody's age is maybe it's 43. We now write 43. You know, you write 43.0. You know that in mathematics, decimal is ending 0 is useless. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So now somebody's age now could be written in 43.0. So what can we do now? What will be our problem? This integer will not correct again because that 43.0 is no more integer. It has become floats. You now go back and choose what? And choose floats. Go to where you see floats. Where's the float here?
Yes, sir.
You must see. Yeah, this is a float. Now go and choose floats because that 43.0 is not integer again. Anything that contains decimal is a float. If a number is in whole number, is integer, is int. But if a number is involving decimal, maybe 0.2, maybe 0.0, maybe 17.3, maybe 18.0, maybe 22.0, one task point in front. It is no more integer, it has become float. Are you with me at all? Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
I think you can see all this area now. Where I do it for you now.
Yes,
so
sir.
what will be the length of email? Usually the length of email is unpredictable.
Yes,
some
sir.
people's email can be their name, and their name can be much more lengthier.
Yeah.
So you can put 50 in the Gmail. Put 50 there.
Or 60, sir.
Or 60. There's no crime in when you put more. There's no crime. So table comments. Just go here. Just come on. You go and preview. You can preview the SQL. Look at this place now. Preview. Do you see it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can preview. Let's preview. This is the preview now.
Sharp.
Create table. This is a create table.
Sharp.
122. Table 1. Serial number. Integer 3. That's not null. Then name. Factor 30. Not null. So are you getting my point now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you now see the SQL. What you are seeing here is SQL code. This is SQL code. Which what we did now, this is a code for it. So that means if I don't want to do it here, I can go and do it in the SQL code directly. I'm going to write a query for it. All this thing I did here, like this here now, I can write query for it here. Like this is query. When I say query means code. In SQL, when I say query means code. So all this thing I did here, I can write query for it directly instead of doing it from this manually. I can write query for it directly like this. So now we have filled what you have done. You can now say save. Now press save. Do you see save here? Do you see also save?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now press save. So when you press save, it's processing. So everything is now saved. And what is now saved? Can you now see? So the table is formed now. This is the table. This is the table. The table is formed. This is the table. So you can see that we have serial number 1. Serial number 1. Integer 3. Collision none. This is table. So in this table, you can drop any table you want to drop. You can drop table. You can drop any table that if you don't want any of them, you can drop it. So this is table now. The table is already created. So from this place, I will give you the video which will help you to proceed further from here.
All right, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'll not be too boring.
Sir?
I'll not be too boring. So I'll not be too boring. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you.